Most individuals and families are not prepared for emergencies or disasters. Today, that can change. There are many different types of hazards that could affect Fairfax County. Can you think of any? Flooding, thunderstorms, extreme temperatures, and acts of violence are just a few. So how do you prepare for all these different types of emergencies? Well, the answer is evaluate your own personal needs and make an emergency plan. A family plan helps assure that everyone knows what to do during an emergency. Write down your important contacts so you have them handy. Do you know how to shut off your utilities and what your insurance plan covers? These are just a few things to think about. Do you have a support network? Will they check on you during an emergency? If you use a personal care attendant, ask what their emergency plan is. For example, do they provide service at another location if you need to evacuate? Do you have a pet or service animal? Don't forget to plan for them too. How do you assemble an emergency kit? Well, have at least 3 days of supplies in your emergency bag, including copies of your family's vital records such as identification, proof of residency, insurance, medical, and financial information. As a family, refresh your kit every 6 months. Individuals with disabilities often have needs that are unique to them. Write down your health information and put your medication in your emergency bag. Do you use medical equipment? Do you have the instructions on how to use the equipment in case you need help? Do you know how you will receive information about an emergency? Sign up for Fairfax Alerts to receive free emergency alerts on up to 10 devices in 5 geographic locations. During an emergency, you can also get information from the Fairfax County Emergency blog and Fairfax County's Facebook and Twitter accounts. That's at Fairfax County. Are you signed up for the Functional Needs Registry? During a crisis or emergency, Fairfax County uses this system to deliver important emergency alerts, notifications, and updates to residents who have identified a functional need. If you are not signed up, sign up today. During non-emergency days, you can stay connected and receive information on how to be prepared by signing up for the Emergency Preparedness newsletter in Fairfax Alerts and following the Office of Emergency Management on Facebook and Twitter. That's at Ready Fairfax. Building a culture of preparedness is how we make Fairfax County a more resilient community. A trained, informed, and engaged public is the best way to empower individuals to lend support. There are many ways to get involved so you can make a positive difference. If you want to volunteer, connect with local organizations and establish a volunteer relationship. For more information on how to prepare for an emergency, please visit www.fairfaxcounty.gov/emergency management.